Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start now, close background apps and plug in wired headphones so you get consistent audio routing. Open your sound preferences and confirm the sample rate is 44. 1 or 48 kHz, mismatched rates cause drift. Next, set your default input and output to the same device so the system doesn't resample. Once done, restart the screen recorder app to pick up new settings. You're preventing the common cause of delay, sample rate and device mismatch. Before deeper, now in your recorder, pick stable values. 30 FPS and a hardware encoder reduced CPU spikes that shift audio. Make sure system audio or loopback is enabled so the recorder captures the same output the OS plays. If there's an audio buffer option, increase it slightly. This smooths timing but adds tiny latency. It's a trade-off that fixes drift. After changing these, record a short test clip. If audio still drifts, move to synchronization tweaks in the next step. Finish by aligning audio. Use the recorder or editor's audio offset control to shift the track by milliseconds until lips and sound match. If real-time fixes fail, record system audio separately and align it visually in the editor. Waveforms make syncing precise. Make sure to restart the device and update your audio drivers or the recording app. Outdated software causes timing bugs. One key tip: if alignment varies within a long recording, split it and apply small offsets per segment rather than a single.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.